In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design greeting cards in Canva. If you want your card to look polished, balanced, and ready for print, the key is setting things up correctly from the start. A lot of people begin with the wrong canvas size, place text too close to the edges, or choose layouts that look fine on screen but don't print well. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier when you use the right tools in the right order. To begin, open Canva and go to the homepage. In the top right corner, click Create a Design, then choose Custom Size from the menu. Before entering your dimensions, switch the unit from pixels to inches. This is important because greeting cards are physical printed items, so working in real-world measurements helps avoid scaling issues later. Enter the size you want, for example, 7 inches wide by 5 inches high for a standard folded landscape card. Then click Create New Design to open your project. Once your blank canvas appears, the next thing you should do is turn on the alignment tools. This helps protect your design from getting trimmed too close during printing. Go to the File menu at the top, open View Settings, then enable Show Rulers and Guides and Show Margins. You'll now see visual boundaries on the page, including a dashed margin area. Treat this as your safe zone and try to keep important text and design details inside it. Now it's time to choose a strong starting layout. On the left-hand side, open the Design or Templates panel. In the search bar, type a phrase that matches the style or occasion you're creating for, such as an elegant birthday card, a minimalist thank you card, or a vintage holiday greeting. Browse through the template options and click the one that best fits your vision. This gives you a professionally arranged base that you can customize instead of building everything from scratch. Next, update the text so the card feels personal and easy to read. Click into the main headline area, replace the placeholder text, and enter your greeting. Try to keep the main message short and clear so it stands out. Then use the formatting toolbar at the top to refine your fonts. A script font can work beautifully for the main greeting, while a cleaner, more readable font is usually better for supporting text and signatures. This creates a clear visual hierarchy and keeps the design from feeling cluttered. Before exporting, take a final moment to review everything carefully. Check your spelling, make sure no placeholder elements are left behind, and confirm that all important content stays inside the safe margins. When you're ready, click Share in the top right corner, then select Download. Change the file type to PDF print for the best print quality, and enable crop marks and bleed if available. Then click Download to save your finished greeting card. And that's it. Thanks for watching,